No, as per the BJP, what images that were shown on all news channels yesterday, there was some nuclear bomb or atom bomb in Sandeshkhali, right? See, the bottom line is yesterday, CBI with the help of NSG and robot theatrics, they made an unscrupulous raid on an empty location in Sandeshkhali during the ongoing Lok Sabha election just to tarnish the image of All India Trinamool Congress. My question is this. The law and order is a state subject. We have a bomb disposal squad. Why are you bulldozing the federal structure? Why didn't you involve the state government? Where was this NSG commandos and this robot when there was Pulwama? 40 of our Jawans were shaheed. Where was the NSG commandos yesterday when 2 of our CRPF Jawans were gunned down in a poll booth in Manipur? Why this in Bengal? Because after the first and the second phase, your union minister is losing in the first phase, and on the second phase, the BJP state president is losing. So just to distract the people of Bengal, you have to do all these theatrics. Whatever was recovered, whether it was 7 pistols and multiple cartridges, it is not good. But for that, do you need NSG commandos? Do you need to use this prestigious institution of NSG for your political vendetta?
No, but Mr. Datta, the BJP now is demanding that it should be a NIA probe because they are suggesting that there could be bigger links to the kind of recoveries that has been made. Let me bring in Rahul Sinha ji of the BJP as well. Rahul Sinha ji, ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है TMC की तरफ से कि खाली जगहों पर रेड्स मारी गई थी. ये कहा जा रहा है उनकी तरफ से कि पोलिंग का दिन ही आखिरकार क्यों चुना गया रेड्स करने के लिए, और जहां तक ये सारी रिकवरीज जो हुई है वहां पे प्लांट करी गई है, रखी गई है किसी और की तरफ से, षड्यंत्र है ये उनके खिलाफ.
देखिए, बात ये है, तृणमूल कांग्रेस को तो खुश होना चाहिए जी. इतना सारे हथियार मरामत हुआ जो पुलिस नहीं कर पाया, वो कम से कम एनएसजी ने करके दिखाया, केंद्रीय एजेंसी ने करके दिखाया. लेकिन उसका दुख यही है, ये सामान तो उसका है, जिनका सामान है वो सबसे ज्यादा दुखी होता है. तो आज तृणमूल दुख प्रकट करके बंगाल का जनता को ये संदेश तो दे दिया कि सामान उनका है, कारण उनका नेता का घर से मेरामत हुआ. तो इसीलिए और खुद के मेरामत हुआ, ऐसा और भी मेरामत होगा, तब क्या बोलेंगे. इसीलिए मैं समझता हूँ जो उग्रवादी संतरासवादी का साथ तृणमूल ने जो जोड़ गठबंधन,
क्योंकि हमें सुना है कि अभी बीजेपी मांग कर रही है कि कम से कम अब जो जांच है वो एनआईए को सौंप दी जाए. Then हमारे पास अभी Locket Chatterjee is also with us right now. Ma'am, what's your take as far as the BJP's demand is now concerned? Because the TMC has also now filed a complaint against the CBI and the raids that were conducted. राहुल सिन्हा जी, अगर हम बाकी और लीडर्स के साथ बातचीत करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब टीएमसी ने सीबीआई के खिलाफ एक कंप्लेंट भी दर्ज करी है सर, ये कहते हुए कि जानबूझ के जो पोलिंग वाला जो दिन है, जिस दिन वोट डाले गए थे, उसी दिन ये रेड्स आखिरकार क्यों हुई? All right. In the meantime, as we are trying to get more reactions on that, the TMC, meanwhile, is seeking action against the CBI and rather saying that this is a misuse of a central agency because here the BJP is facing imminent defeat here. The TMC is writing to the Election Commission to seek action against when it comes to the CBI and also the kind of allegations that are now being leveled by the TMC, which goes on to say that the CBI did not issue any prior notice, especially when it comes to the state police there, while it was carrying out these raids or those searches. Let me go across to Adrija once again. Adrija, what is this complaint all about, the TMC that has now written to the Election Commission?
Well, you see, several points have been pointed out in this particular letter that the TMC have submitted to the Election Commission seeking, first of all, they want to say that the searches that were going on, raids that were going on by the CBI on the particular day that when it was a polling day on the ongoing election timing, this was just to distract attention because what the TMC claims is it is very evident to the BJP that they will be losing in the state of West Bengal and also might be some problem in Delhi to get back in power, and that That's why just to divert the attention of the people, they are doing this. Second of all, they're also, coming up and reiterating the fact that CBI, a central investigating agency, which is now, which is being used by the BJP to do its work. And, all these allegations are clearly mentioned in the letter that has been filed by the AITC to the Election Commission, seeking some action to be taken immediately, because what the TMC also claims that yesterday when the CBI went to conduct raids in Sandesh Khali in Shortberia area of North 24 Parganas district, the local police
the
in the
TMC
area
filing a complaint with the Election Commission, and however, when it comes to the charges or the allegations that have been raised, the TMC also seems to be suggesting that when it comes to the political rivals there, they may have planted such kind of arms and ammunition as far as the recoveries that have been made owing to political conspiracy. Listen into the allegation being made by the TMC.
देखिए, अभी जब मैं आपका ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहा हूं, अभी तक कोई आर्म्स हम
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।